Spinach is called an iron superfood, but many still feel weak. So is spinach really boosting iron? Or just a myth? Spinach is rich in minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. If you eat spinach but feel tired, your body is telling you something. Spinach contains iron, but not all of it gets absorbed. Spinach also contains compounds that block iron absorption. Raw spinach can feel heavy or bloating for some people. Cooking spinach reduces blockers and improves digestion. Spinach works better with the right food combinations. If energy improves, absorption is working. Nutrition is not about food labels, it's about absorption. Spinach is powerful when eaten right. Follow body signals. Your Monday energy is decided on the weekend. Weekend habits either reset you or ruin you. Sleeping very late breaks your body clock. Late nights create tired mornings and brain fog. Skipping meals or overeating confuses digestion. Heavy weekend food drains energy for days. Doing nothing all weekend slows circulation. Head heaviness, low focus, and mood swings are warning signs. Weekends without structure make Mondays harder. Consistent sleep, light meals, and small movement reset energy. You don't need perfect weekends, you need smarter ones. Protect your weekends to power your week. Sweet cravings are not weakness. They are signals. So what is your body actually missing? First signal, poor sleep. A tired brain begs for sugar. Second signal, dehydration. Your brain confuses thirst with hunger. Third signal, stress. Sugar feels like quick comfort. Fourth signal, low protein. Your body wants fast energy. Fifth signal, blood sugar spikes, then crashes. If you crave sweets right after meals, your plate is unbalanced. Drink water first, then wait 5 minutes. Add protein and fiber to your meals. Fix sleep and stress. Cravings drop automatically. Don't fight cravings with shame. Fix the signal. Raw tomato heals some people and harms others. So which one is better, raw or cooked? Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. If raw tomatoes feel light, your digestion is strong. Acidity or stomach burn means raw tomato is irritating you. Raw tomato is acidic and harder to digest for many people. Cooking tomatoes makes nutrients easier to absorb. Cooked tomatoes feel gentler on digestion. Lycopene becomes stronger after cooking. Large amounts or late-night tomatoes can still disturb digestion. Healthy food works only when form matches your body. Don't follow food trends. Follow body signals, like, comment, and subscribe.